Mohammed, Rasool, and this is my mom, the patient. We are from Iraq, Baghdad, and we came here in order to have a surgery and treatment for my mom. She's suffering from back problems, disc problems, and the doctor who, and as I have noticed since yesterday, we arrived yesterday, there is a very good service and the treatment is very well. And I think that the hospital is very clean and neat and modern hospital. And my mom just, this is the second day of her surgery, and she's recovering bit by bit. And I have to say that I admire the treatment of the hospital and the doctors over here and all the staff members.